That mean oi. With there. Bobo see police, we see we have a station. Oi. I got few little things I can't say now, I have my weed, you know. My wouldn't give me my weed, I carry with me. I beg that's been a lot. See, that was special, you know, I can't really remember right now, you know.
Yeah.
And so I carry it in my abeng.
So the abeng is symbolic to what?
The communication first time with the people of Africa, they saying that was in the higher region of Jamaica.
Yeah, so they communicate by using the abeng.
Yes, we find people a lot. Yes,
send message.
Yeah, Mr. Bogo knows exactly, but you know, it's our one family of people, you know, just do something.
Blow it again for me.
Oh, blow two way and can blow on this end. Can blow on this end.
Give thanks.
Yes,